Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing good. Children, today we are going to start from EVS 5th standard, lesson number 2, family. Family. Where mother, father, brother, sister all stay together, live together happily, a family. Family is a place where we live happily, where we share our feelings, share and care. Children, when I'm reading the lesson, I want you all to look into your text. So here I go. You already know that the members of a family are related to one another and live together. Sometimes the members of a family leave the main family for various reasons like marriage, job, education, etc. and make their own separate family. Over the years, there are been a number of changes in structure of family. So what they are saying, a family is where we all live together. But as the days are going, due to as the people are coming up in their life, due to work, due to job, what they are doing? They are migrating. They are going from one place to another place. And there they are starting their family. Here they were with everyone. Marriage take place. One will get married to the other person, right? So here what happened, when the person gets to the other person, there is someone else who is coming to a family. So here on the screen, what is going on? There is an occasion. What occasion it is? It's a marriage taking place, right? Where two families came together and celebrating that occasion, and there is a couple who is getting married. Here you can see here there is a boy and a girl. So in this family you can see on the screen A side and B side. There is a boy who is getting married from that family. In that family you can see there is a brother and sister and father and mother. And here who all are there? There are two brothers and a sister, mother and father. Total there are 5. 3 children and parents, right? So here the elder one is getting married. The boy is getting married. From that family there is a girl. So here there is an addition. There is a one person who is been added to this family. So now how much? 6 members are there. So there is a minus, right? So in that family, there is one less in family. So in this manner, what is happening means one or the other way. The family is being coming day to day for a nuclear family. A nuclear family is nothing but where mother, father and the children stays together. As we go further in this lesson, children, a family tree is being given. You can see on the screen. Family tree. So here, a boy, Manu, he is introducing himself and he is telling about his family. I am Manu. I will introduce my family through the family tree. My family tree is in the next page, he says. This I am. In the green square, read the names of all the family members. So here, Manu is telling, I am in square. Green square, he says. So here, there is not a, there, you can see they have not given a picture of that boy. But here the indicate square box is Manu, green in color. So the square box are male I would like to tell this here, children, the family tree, you will be knowing by this shape, you will come to know the man and the woman, male and female. So, the square is male, circle is female. And in this manner, the square as well as circle are together, means that is husband and wife. So down, you can see here, down children, again square and circle. But what it is, there is a direction is being given. So for them, the children, who all are the children? So that is the children. As we move on to the next page, you can see here, where is Manu? Here is Manu, green in color. When we see the family tree, you all got it? See, the first generation is who? Ramappa and Bhagyamma. So, Manu is what related to Ramappa and Bhagamma? So, the second generation, that means Ramappa and Bhagamma children. Who are those? The second generations are Ravi and Raju. Ravi and Raju. So, they got married for whom, children? So, here Ravi got married for Vanuta and Raju got married for Ramya. Did you get it? So this is the first generation. Their children are Ravi and Raju. They got married to Ramya, got married to Raju here, and this is Vanuta got married to Ravi. So this is second generation complete. The third generation, what it is? The third generation is Vanuta and Ravi got children. Okay, they got children. Who are those? That is Rakshit and Prema. Rakshit and Prema. Here, you can see Raju and Ramya children are who all are? They are Pallavi, Suma. Pallavi, Suma. As we move on to the fourth generation, so this is the children of Vanuta and Ravi, Raju and Ramya. So this is the third generation. So here the fourth generation, how is Manu related to Ramappa? Here there is Rakshit and Prema, what they are? They are brother and sister. Here Rakshit got married to Radha. For whom he got married? He got married to Radha. And for them, who is the children? The children name is Priya and Manu. Priya and Manu. So here Priya and Manu are brother and sister. Priya and Manu are fourth generation. You can see this is the chart. As we move on to the next side, there is Suma who got married to Sharan. Suma got married to Sharan and their children name are Kiran and Kirtana. So that is the fourth generation. You can see on the screen, children, this is the way. If not, you can draw a tree. You can see on the screen, in this manner, you can draw the tree, the main trunk. This is called as a trunk. You can write the name of the Ramappa and Bhagamma name for that trunk. They are the main trunk. And the branches is nothing but you can write their children name. That is Ravi and Raju. For that branch, you can write, there are two branches as I am showing on the screen. You can write for this two branch Ravi and Raju. That branch is been extended to a small one that you can write Ramya one side for Raju and another side Vanita for Ravi. So that branch extended, you can see that extended. That is nothing but their children. That is the third generation. You can write in this manner first, second, third and fourth generation. So in this manner you can know you belong to which generation by drawing this family tree. As we move on, children, for the next page, there is an activity. So, as I have given here, you can write it there. You will come to know the relation. And that is to be done by you. And that activity is supposed to be done by you. As we move further, there are 4 generations in my family. Manu says, all of us live together in the same house. What a lovely thing, na? Manu says, there is 4 generations where all stay together. Happy to hear, na children? All of us have our meals together. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. We celebrate festival and other functions together. We feel so happy where all people come together and celebrate the festival. Right? ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂಧು ಬಳಗ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಹಬ್ಬಗಳು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಬ್ಬಗಳು ನಾವು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. We all get the love of our grandfather and grandmother. All of us take care of them with respect. ಸೊ ಮನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನು ಹಾಗೂ ಅವ್ರ ಅಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. My family members do all the work with the guidance. So here, who is guiding? All are doing one or the other work. And here, the grandfather and grandmother, what they are doing? They are being seated. Why? Why? Because they are aged and they are seeing what the work is being going on. And they will correct. ಅವರು ಸರಿ ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ರಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ನೀನು ಮಾಡು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. This type of family with more than 2 generations living together in the same house is called a joint family. ಸೊ ಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಏನಂತ, 2 ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಅಲ್ವಾ? What a lovely family where all people are together. I hope even you all have this type family picture. Family photo. Now I will introduce my friends' families to you. Come, let us see my friend's family. His family is a joint family. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಜನರೇಷನ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟೇ ಟುಗೆದರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಮನುದು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮನುನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 4 generations together they stay, but here there is 2 generations, but it's a quite big number. 2 ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಜನರು ತುಂಬ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ವಾ. Now let us go to the house of another friend of mine. Her mother is telling something. Let us listen to her. ಸೊ ಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿನ ತಾಯಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಣ ಅಂತ ಮನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ಗ್ರೂ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ದೇರ್ ವರ್ 25 members in my family. Everybody took the responsibility of nourishing and taking care of the children. When I was young, grandmother used to tell stories. My grandfather told me how to behave. But now in my family, we are only me, my husband and my 2 children. Now I have to take lunch to my husband who is hospitalized. Where do I leave my small child? This is my worry now. So here Manu's friend mother is telling. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನ ತಾಯಿ ತನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕರು ಇರಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ರು? 25 ಜನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದು, ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕುಟುಂಬ. ಅವರ ತಾಯಿ, ಅಜ್ಜ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ತಂದೆ, ತಾಯಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಇರಬೇಕು ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. And when she was young, who used to tell the stories? The grandmother used to tell stories. Grandfather told how to behave. Grandfather or ಅಜ್ಜ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ರೀತಿ ನೀತಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ನಿಷ್ಠೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಅಜ್ಜ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಆದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್, ಮೈ 2 children, ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ. ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿನ ತಾಯಿ, ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು 25 ಜನ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಒಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ 4 ಜನ. ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ನಾನು ಊಟ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್, ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಯಜಮಾನರು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆನಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲೀಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. In that case, who will help them? It is very important to take care of that small children. Either that mother should take those 2 children with her, or she should live in the same house, or she should ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ತಾಯಿ ಆ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ. ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೆದರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಥ ಕುಟುಂಬ ನೀವು ಕಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಡೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಡೂ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ of such families. I hope you have understood the importance of the family. Family is a place we all live together, stay together with happily. Thank you.